Oh, you're an idiot sometimes. Tonight, Roman's coming over, boys' night in. I've got a film for us to watch, a little bit of rom-com.
What are you talking about?
Oh, I'm winding you up. We've got the football on.
We've got about 25 minutes until the game starts.
We can cook it inside 20 minutes.
You can cook something inside 20 minutes that looks like that.
You know, rapid meals are great if you live a busy lifestyle. HelloFresh is absolutely perfect. They deliver the box, I've got all the ingredients, perfect amounts, it's easy.
I'm going to have to time him on this. I want to see if he can do it.
Oh, Ro, that is so typical of you.
Right, that's set to 20 minutes.
Yep.
You need to get a move on.
All right, let's do it.
Here we go.
You got it. Tonight I'm cooking veggie tostadas with roasted peppers and zesty creamer.
Look at that. 15 minutes. I've got to say, I'm quite impressed by this.
Why?
The last time I came back home and I said, Mum, can you make me dinner? She gave me the dog's dinner.
Shirley had just cooked a lovely roast chicken for the dogs. No, you're making too much out of it.
I'm not, I'm being...
You had a slice of the dog's dinner.
Oh, okay.
Let's get the beef going. The really good thing about this recipe is vegetarian. Underneath, you'll see a little button where you can add beef.
Oh, customising it.
Yeah.
When you cook, you do the panic dance. Like this.
Makes me feel right.
You got 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Yeah.
Right, they're going in there. The peppers are cooking lovely. Meat is on the go. Oh, man, that is so fresh. That's delicious. And your coriander, man?
I like it with other stuff.
Tenner,
not on
I'll
its
give you a
own.
tenner.
3 minutes.
Right.
Dad, come on, let's dish it up. But there's no urgency. Kick-off is happening.
I know.
All right.
I'm trying my hardest, bro.
Okay.
Now, man, look at this.
Hey! Well done.
Did it.
Yes!
Inside the time, ready for the football.
Oh, hang on a minute.
What?
Oh, it's the late kick-off today.
Oh, you idiot. Let's go and eat it. Come on.
Like that.
Good?
That is delicious.
Wow.
Well done.
No.